Hi everyone, today we are going to make an emulsified scrub. The first ingredient is shea butter. Now I'll be adding the sweet almond oil. It is a lightweight dry kind of oil. The next one is Emogreen L19. It is a natural silicone kind of alternative to dimethicone and cyclomethicone. Now I am adding Olivem 1000 as my emulsifier along with some cetyl alcohol. You could use cetyl alcohol or stearic acid. I'll put the alternatives in my blog, you can check it. Now coming to the water phase, I am adding water and SCI, a little amount of SCI to get it foaming. It also includes glycerin for that moisturizing and hydrating effect. I have melted both the phases on a double boiler. Now putting the water phase into the oil phase and I will blend it. This video is in collaboration with Kajol Cosmetics. She is going to make a fun coffee scrub. Do check her YouTube channel for that. If you would like to see more such collaborations, please do let me know in the comment section. Now I am adding the hyaluronic acid on the top and then blending it again. This will increase the viscosity of our formulation. Now goes the preservative, extracts and the exfoliating ingredients, that is the sugar and jojoba agents. The jojoba paste. This is the rose geranium fragrance oil. It has such a nice mild rose fragrance. You could use a different essential oil if you want, like the rose essential oil or lavender essential oil. Blending it for one last time. Now I'll be adding the sugar. You could add any other exfoliant instead of sugar. Note that some amount of sugar might get dissolved, but it still works as a great scrub. It also helps in improving the preservative efficacy. Now the jojoba beads, these are very fine. These have such a nice effect on the skin. Now I will mix it. I'll check the pH and store it for a day before putting it into the jar because it increases the viscosity. pH is quite high now. I'll adjust the pH and then put it into a jar container. If you try, do let me know how it goes. Also, please share your feedback in the comment section to make videos much useful. Thank you.